everybody. My name is Aaliyah.
Susan,
Aaliyah from Kashmir.
you got it? Now you're recording.
How are you, buddy?
You're recording, Susan?
Hi everybody, I'm Aaliyah Dawn Susan Patlas and I'm at my grandmother's house. And today I baked a banana bread, cake, cookies, and cupcakes.
And how long did the banana bread take you to cook?
The
To get it
banana bread,
15 or 20 minutes?
15 or 20 minutes.
And I baked it about 20 minutes. 20.
I baked it around 20.
And the cake took me about
The cake took me about
15 minutes to put it.
15 minutes or
I
so.
baked it at 30.
And I did it all by myself. And
I baked it at 30 minutes.
I baked it at 30 minutes. I had to bake the cookies.
Susan, watch the camera.
10 minutes.
10 minutes and
Got them ready at
I got them ready at
15 minutes.
15 minutes and they are
Now I'm cooking cupcakes.
hold on, the peanut butter cookies. And I baked cupcakes and it took me 20 minutes to put them in. And
Prepared them 15 minutes.
15 minutes and
I got a candy cake.
and I got a whole bunch of candy on my
Here,
cake.
oh, Susan, show the cake.
Show the cake.
And her banana bread.
And show the cookies.
And my uncle taught me about microwave.
And my uncle taught me about microwaves.
How to melt butter.
How to melt butter. You put GET and it'll take you to 30 and then you press stop.
And my brother asked me to make cookies.
And my little brother asked me to bake a whole bunch of cookies. So I did. And that's all I have to say.
Were you nervous cooking?
I wasn't nervous about cooking anything.
Were you happy making all this?
I was very, very happy.
Wow! What you gonna do when your dad's birthday?
I'm gonna make him a cake and I'm gonna put any kind of frosting and he's gonna be 40.
Show your cupcakes are ready. Tell them what you're taking out of the oven.
I'm taking out cupcakes and then after when I'm done taking out the cupcakes, I'll decorate them. So just wait till the timer goes off. Stop freaking me out!
My grandmother taught me how to cook.
My grandmother taught me how to cook, and if you need the recipe to how to bake cupcakes,
Maybe you do.
you put 2 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and yeah, I'll be right back. So just wait.
And milk. No, she's been doing it all along.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Put it on top of the stove.
They don't look like muffins.
And those are the cupcakes I made today.
And these are the cupcakes that I made today. So I hope I enjoy.
And my family.
And my whole family. So see you later. Bye.
All right. This is Steve. This is my crazy nephew. Don't forget to say hi.
Hi.
Alright, that's up.
I'm his crazy niece.
And that's my crazy mom.
Hi, everybody.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye.